everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with an unboxing to share with you. I'd like to take a second and give a shout out to Maggie. I was talking to another YouTuber, very sweet lady. I really like her videos, and she said that she watches every morning with her daughter Maggie, and that her husband likes my music and dances around. I just thought that was adorable, and I said, well, I will say hi to Maggie for you. So hi Maggie, keep up the diamond painting. Send me a message and show me what you're working on, or what your mom's working on. Either one. I think the most fun of having a YouTube channel is all the wonderful people that I'm meeting. And years ago, I worked with Habitat for Humanity. I used to sell paint to their restores, and I got to go to a lot of their conferences and things, and I just said, these are the nicest people in the world. They're so nice. Well, no. Crafters are the nicest people in the world. Specifically, crafters who do cross-stitch and diamond painting. They are just so sweet and wonderful, and it's like I feel like I've found my people. Okay, back to the diamond painting. Came with a white boat with a funnel, tweezers, a single pen, a chunk of wax, and some bags. Nice little kit. And, okay, this is my Mickey Mouse. Isn't he cute? Here's all the colors. Look at that bright yellow. They're very bright, vibrant colors. And I will put the picture up for you. There are, can't see the bottom of the sheet, 36 colors. And I love this. It's kind of like Mickey's silhouette with paint splatters in it. Are they splatters? Yeah, it's like paint splattered all over. Really nice. And I didn't get a huge size. I don't think it needed to be that big to get the detail of an outline and some paint splatters. And from looking at this, I think I was right. So this size, I want to say 30 by 40, but I can't read it. No, it's not even on there. Yes, 30 by 40, full drill square. There it is, Mickey in all his glory. Let me see up close. Now this one, the detail is in the splatters inside Mickey. So the background is all one color. Yep, I see the same symbol all the way around him. So whatever color that is, that's gonna be a lot. This will be a fun one to do. Mickey makes me happy. Okay, there it is. I peeled it all up so it'll lay flat. I can put it on my pile with in my stash. And that's it. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me. And you have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.